appreciation going on now through Saturday, June 20th. So we've got lots of flowers available for you. They'll all be 50% off, the smaller size and the larger tub size. Also got some vegetables for you. These size pots are $1 each. Lots of varieties of tomatoes, peppers still available. We also have zucchini, squash, cucumbers, a few other things. Also got some other deals for you. These hummingbird feeders and the decorative planters and bat houses are all 30% off. Also got a prize wheel for you that we usually have. Spend $50 or more on your visit and you get to spin the wheel and get a prize. Come on out, we're looking forward to serving you.